In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Google Workspace search history in Google Drive. If you've ever typed a search in Drive and seen old queries pop up, this walkthrough will show you how to remove them quickly and how to optionally clear related activity from your Google account for a cleaner, more private experience. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your Google Workspace account. Make sure you're using the correct work account if you have multiple Google profiles, since search history is tied to the account you're currently using. Next, click into the search box at the top of Drive. As soon as you place your cursor there, Drive shows a drop-down of your recent searches. These are the exact phrases you've looked for before, and they appear to help you repeat a search quickly. Think of this list as your local shortcut to past queries, not your files themselves. To remove an individual search from this list, hover your mouse over the entry you want to delete. On the right side of that line, an X appears. Click the X and the search disappears immediately from the drop-down. That's all there is to it. You can repeat this for as many entries as you like, and you'll see the list update in real time. If the list looks the same after a moment, try clicking in and out of the search box to refresh the suggestions. If you want to go further, you can optionally clear related activity stored in your Google account. Some Drive search activity can also be captured in your broader Google activity, which powers things like suggestions across services. To review and delete that, go to Google My Activity in your browser. Once the page loads, select Delete, then choose the time range that fits your needs. Last hour, last day, all time, or a custom range. Confirm the deletion, and Google will remove activity for the period you picked. Keep in mind this affects your account-wide activity, not just Drive, so it may change recommendations or auto-complete across other Google services. If you only want to prune older history, the custom range option is a helpful balance. That's it. You've learned how to clear specific Drive search entries right where you work, and how to optionally remove related account activity for a deeper reset. Changes may take a moment to reflect across devices, and if you use a managed workspace account, your organization's data retention policies may apply. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you tidy up your search history.